Hi there. In this video where I almost cannot talk, so sorry about that, we'll be taking a look at this ultrasonic cleaner. And initially my aunt bought this to clean her jewelry, but she wanted to actually get rid of the outside oxide on silver, the darkening of the silver, and this is more for cleaning the dirt. So yeah, it's not exactly what she wanted, so I got it from her, and I think I can use it to clean these things for my wife and daughters, and also to clean small electronics. So let's see. So let's see. I don't think we have too much info. So it runs on two AAA batteries, which doesn't seem that much. Okay. Smooth surface, yep. For contact lenses, not the case. Glasses, a bit of detergent, yep, but we are not cleaning glasses. Vibrate 5 minutes, and it will make a buzzing sound. Okay. Press the switch again and it will shut off. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to read that. Cleaning jewelry. This is what we are doing. Makeup brush. Okay. Shaver. Washing dishes. Nope. Okay. Wet towel. Do not wash with water. Yeah, obviously. And for cleaning fluid, there are a lot of recipes online. You can buy the cleaning fluid. You can make it yourself. You can use a bit of alcohol, a bit of an acidic substance. You can use just simple dishes detergent, whatever. I'm going to use just a bit of water plus a bit of dishes detergent and see how it goes. Okay. Hey, come out. Okay. It already has batteries because my aunt put batteries in it, but I pressed this button and I think you will realize by yourself what I'm about to say. This is not ultrasonic. This basically has some kind of vibrator motor in it. It's like a mobile phone on vibration. A bit stronger, but not by much. So it is in no way, shape or form ultrasonic. I'm going to put the water and detergent and throw these things in just to see what happens, but it's not ultrasonic. Chinese lied again. Once again, they are taking money for products that are not what they say they are and don't work as advertised. Ultrasonic cleaner relies on cavitation and popping bubbles at the surface of the object. You can read that online. I don't know too much about it, but it's not just mechanical vibration. It's much more than that to clean products, and this will not be able to do that for sure. But let's throw some soapy water in here and see what we get. So a bit of water, warm water with a bit of dishes detergent. To my swatching, my daughter's toys. Let's throw these things in and see what we get, but I don't... Oh, dropped one. I honestly don't expect anything because this is not ultrasonic, so it will just move them a tiny bit, but in ultrasonic you actually see the dirt dispersing. Yeah, exactly as I thought. It's not doing absolutely anything. kind of sad taking money from people for nothing. Okay, so absolutely nothing. I need to clean this myself with a brush and get a proper ultrasonic cleaner, because we're going to take this apart and I'm going to show you the vibration motor in it, because I'm 99.99999% sure that there's a vibration motor in this. And cleaned this thing, and let's take a look inside. And let's see, do we have a toy motor in there with a weight on it or not? With 2 weights, even cooler. So it has a long shaft and weights on both sides. This is a freaking joke. This is just vibrating. There's no ultrasonic happening anyway near this thing. This sucks. Okay, just as an idea, this is how an ultrasonic cleaner looks like, more or less. And they have this thing, the transducer, and they go from 20 kilohertz to 40 kilohertz. That's ultrasonic. So yeah, not a vibration motor. Anyway, it is what it is. And now looking on it, you can see here a model, but it doesn't say ultrasonic, it just says multifunction cleaner. Ultrasonic is on this label, so probably these guys are the assholes in here, even more than the Chinese, because they did not write ultrasonic, but these assholes did. And that's about it for this video. So this thing is nowhere near what it says it is. It's just a way of making money from unsuspecting people. It's, I don't know, it makes my skin all, you shouldn't be able to do this in a normal world and get away with it. And yeah, that's about it. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, maybe subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.